Oh God, oh God, oh God. That's big. Oh, what is that? Dude, dude. Oh, okay. Shaking, literally trembling right now. Hello folks, so back out again with Derek Ritchie.
Hey, what's up guys?
Back on the Thames. Different poop outflow this time. It's not as stinky, at least I don't think so. I have a cold, so I can't really tell, but is it as stinky?
Not really.
Okay. It's a nice deep hole here. There's the poop chute. Little footbridge up there. And an old dam or something over there. That's what it looked like on the map. But it's just rapids now. Fish just jumped. Looking good. Today on Action Angling. Hey, we're off to a bad start. Off to a bad start recording here, but I got a white perch on a power minnow. And we need that. Rather unexpected, but that's okay. It's actually better. Okay size one. 9.5 inches. Oh yeah. It looks so delicious. So yeah, I'm running this power minnow right in the poop chute. That's where he hit. First casted there. It's super deep. It's like probably 10 feet out to the left here. Derek's running some corn, trying to get a buffalo or a carp. Or who knows what. I'm running the power minnow. Shrimp got boring, so that's not in the water anymore. Oh, just another hit there. Oh shit, that's a fish. I thought I had a rock. What the heck? It's a sucker, but I snagged it. We're seeing quillbacks to the right here. Just caught a bass. And I haven't been recording anything because I'm an idiot. I'm gonna go back over here and do this. If there's quillbacks, there's buffalo. So yeah, I'm just floating a minnow. And very first time I did it, I got a bass immediately. We keep on seeing fish blow up. There's a whole bunch of minnows in this outflow. Plenty of fish busting them. Stupid duck. Get off my line. Oh God, oh God, oh God. That's big. Oh, what is that? Dude, it's a buffalo, isn't it? It's a giant. Dude, 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 it's a buffalo. Oh my God. Oh, okay. Shaking, literally trembling right now. Oh my God, it's giant. It's giant. Oh, oh my God. Okay, calm down, Richard. Jesus Christ. Oh, that is all I wanted out of all these trips to London. Okay, we gotta land it though. We gotta land it. It's just a tiny hook. Oh my God. Oh, I'm so glad we came here. Oh my God. He's like pretty much on the ropes already. On a freaking minnow. No way. Oh, I want 1,000 pictures of this thing. This is a lifeless fish, folks. This is not just like, I need this for the competition. I need this before I die. Oh, now he saw you.
Holy shit, bro.
I thought it was a steelhead. It was so silver when it turned. Oh my God. I know they get a lot bigger, but that's pretty amazing. Holy crap. Holy crap. I'm taking it so easy on him. I do not want to lose this fish. It's just a number 6 hook. Minnow. Dead salted minnow, and he took it way off the bottom too. So that confirms my suspicions that they're more of a predator than carp are. Oh man. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. I can't believe that just happened. Are you kidding me right now? They certainly fight different than a carp. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh. So strong, he's not using it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Mad points too, mad points. No one's touching that. On the center pin. Oh my god, everything is just amazing today. I can go home.
Winning the lottery, right here.
Yeah.
30 years alive, and this is the first time seeing this fish.
Yep.
Yes!
Yes!
We got him. We got him.
Oh my god, it's so big.
We got the beast.
Jesus Christ. Oh my god.
Get filled water to get the beast.
Jesus Christ, it's so big.
It is heavy.
Oh my god.
Look at that thing, guys.
Holy crap.
Look at that freshwater whale.
It's so big. No.
I could be a part of that one.
Oh, thank you so much, man.
Look at that beast.
Oh,
Look at that beast.
dude, what even? Oh,
30 years of fishing, I've yet to see one up close.
and it's so big.
30 years of being alive.
Oh my god.
That is no carp, folks.
No.
For you anglers, that is a big mouth and big head buffalo.
Dude, it's so big. Oh my god. Oh my god.
People say 1 in 10,000 casts about a muskie. No, 1 in 10,000 casts about this unicorn.
More like 1,000,000 casts in my lifetime. Oh, he's so big. Oh, he's bigger than my carp.
Dude!
Oh, I want 1,000 pictures of this after this. Oh. Backwater Fishing League, triple open. Freaking life list achieved. This is the greatest catch in 10 years for me. Big mouth buffalo.
Let's go!
Oh, baby. And he's pretty big. He's about, what, 34?
Went
Yeah.
the poop shoot after him, guys.
Yeah, Derek went right in the poop chute. Big mouth buffalo.
Yes.
Okay, photo sessions. You can't grip them like a carp.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, we good? I think he wants to go back.
Yep.
Just let him sit upright for a while, I guess. Okay, the release of that fish was quite pathetic. So we're not going to show that. But he did live. He did just swim off. It took forever. I got right in the water. My shoes are soaked. Got right in the water and revived him forever. In my socks and shoes. Reel's full of sand now.
For the fish, though.
Yeah. Well, it's just... I tried so long to catch that fish. I would have felt so bad if it just died. This fishery is so diverse. You might not hammer them every day, but you can always get something different.
Right.
Nice. Derek's hooked up. Is it big? No.
Yep.
Is it? Sucker? Walleye? Bowfin? Yes! Another golden. Awesome.
Fish on, tight lines, guys.
Woo. It's zoomed in.
There we go.
Derek's putting on a smoke show on the rock bass. Oh, is that a white perch?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Excellent.
Woo.
Second white perch.
Points for the team.
Yup.
Ooh.
Oh boy. He's pooping and bleeding. Corwin joined us. And he's hooked up with a fish. A mile away. You probably can't even see. A drum. Nice. Hand that over to Derek. He needs one of those. It's hooked up again in the twilight. Big walleye. Oh, it's a bullhead.
Is it?
Catfish.
Yes, fish.
How did we not catch one of those? Oh my god. I thought it was a hit. I wasn't looking. Okay, got my cheap jig head on this time.
I don't even know if he's hooked it or if he's just like not letting go of it. Always the question, is the bullhead hooked? Or is it just playing dead? Oh, no, it's hooked.
See that? Cheap jig head.
What does the bullhead say? Pretty much.
But the salmon could only say. My quest for more buffalo has ended. Well, folks, it was a wonderful day in the water. I hope you can even see me because GoPros suck in the low light. Wonderful day in the water. Didn't catch as much as last time we were out here, but there was one pretty exceptional catch that I'm pretty happy with. So, yeah, we're okay. And we got a lot of species. We added a lot more. What did we get? 3 or 4? 4, I think. 4 more species, so we're at like 26. And we got to meet Corwin.
Hi!
And we watched him put a clinic on the rock bass.
Yeah, I
And-
caught like one of them.
Incredible. Incredible. Thank you very much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you like the channel, please consider subscribing to it. Because that would be nice and stuff. I love you. We'll see you next time. Chop, chop.